Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am only Vijay and today I am going to teach you MS Excel lecture number 61. Today we will talk about the 12 most important keyboard shortcuts. If you work in Excel, make sure to memorize these 12 keys well because they will be useful to you every time you work in Excel. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from today's video, don't forget to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. The very first shortcut key we'll talk about is Control plus Shift plus Spacebar. Here, I'm moving to sheet number 2. If you ever need to select the entire sheet, just click anywhere on the sheet and press Control plus Shift plus Spacebar. As soon as you do this, your entire active sheet will be selected. And the second key we'll learn about is how to select a column. Often, you may need to select an entire column. So, click on that column and press Ctrl plus spacebar on your keyboard and your entire column will be selected. Similarly, if you want to select a row here, the third shortcut key I'm going to teach you is how to select a row. So first, click inside the row you want to select, then press Shift and spacebar on your keyboard and your entire row will be selected. And the fourth shortcut key I'm going to teach you is about applying a filter. Because whenever we create any database, we always apply a filter to it. For example, suppose I wrote SR number here, then I wrote name here, then I wrote contact number here. After writing contact number, I typed city here, and then I entered amount here. Now, after that, I want to apply a filter here so that I can view the data city-wise. So in this way, you have to select all the data. And after that, if you type Ctrl, Shift, and L from the keyboard, you will see that the filter has been applied here. And you can easily apply filters here. If you can't find the filter command again and again, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and L to apply it. If we want to remove it, then typing Ctrl, Shift, and L will remove it as well. And at number 5, the shortcut key that I am going to teach you is about how in your Open Active sheet, you can see where you have applied formulas, where you have applied tables, which font has been used. In other words, you can view the complete details of the sheet from here. For this, you will type Ctrl, Shift, and G. A dialog box for workbook statistics will open in front of you. You can see what the end of the sheet is, which cells contain data, how many tables you have inserted, how many sheets you have, and after that, how many tables and formulas you have added. So you can easily view the complete details here. And at number 6, the shortcut key I'm going to teach you is about Control G. If you want to open the Go to box or you want to open the special box, then for that, you need to press Ctrl G. The Go to box will open in front of you. And by clicking on special, you can benefit from all these commands. For example, if you want to find blank cells, find constants, find formulas, or find errors, you can do a lot with this. After that, as soon as you click on the relevant option, the command will be applied. And after that, the next command we are going to learn is F2. Suppose I want to write something else in this same cell. Normally, as soon as we start writing in it, the previous data gets removed from here. So if we want to edit within the same cell, you need to press F2 on the keyboard. And after pressing F2, you can also insert additional data here. Let's update the contact number here. So this was our 7th shortcut key. And the next shortcut key we're going to learn about is Alt plus Enter. If you want to write 2 lines within the same cell, for example, here I wrote obtain marks and then I wrote obtain. Now, if I want to write marks here, so after obtain, I want the data that would normally go to the next cell to stay in the same cell instead of moving to the next one. If you have already entered the data, press F2 on your keyboard to activate the cell. Then press Alt on the keyboard and press Enter. And after that, you can type here within the cell. So as you can see, we can add 2 lines within the same cell like this. And for shortcut key number 9, we're going to learn how to hide any row using the keyboard. First of all, start by clicking on the specific row that you want to hide. For example, let's say I have this row A1 and I want to hide it. So we click right here to select it. On the keyboard, press Ctrl, and then on the top side of the keyboard where the numbers are written above the alphabetic keys A, B, C, etc., press Ctrl and 9 together, and that row will be hidden. Similarly, if you type Ctrl, Shift, and 9, the row will become unhidden again. So in this way, we can hide or unhide any row. So by pressing Ctrl and 9, you hid it. The shortcut key we used was 9, and by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and 9 to unhide it, the shortcut key was 10. After that, next we will talk about how to hide a column in this. For example, if I want to hide this column, you will type Ctrl and 0 on the keyboard. See, the column has been hidden. You clicked here, typed Ctrl and 0, the column was hidden, clicked, pressed Ctrl and 0, so this column has now been hidden. So this was our shortcut key number 11. So now we will learn about shortcut key number 12. After hiding all the columns like this, if you want to unhide them, you need to select the columns like this. Then after that, you have to press Alt and type Alt OCU. So see, all the columns have now appeared here very easily. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you that if you want to perform your best in MS Excel, you absolutely must memorize these 12 shortcut keys. If you liked today's video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.